Why does your scanner show the P20C1 engine code? What does it mean? P20C1 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant heater C control circuit or open. The P20C1 engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an open circuit or electrical fault in reductant heater C. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty DEF or reductant heater element, corroded or damaged wiring, blown fuses or faulty relays, poor electrical connections, defective heater control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ram, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.